A man learned his fate in the courtroom this morning after killing his cellmate 16 years ago. Marcus Faulk was supposed to be sentenced last week after accepting a plea deal. Today, he shared a few intense words with the judge in hopes of taking back his plea, saying he felt blackmailed. Good afternoon, I'm Vanessa Vasconcelos.
And I'm Dale Urong. Action News anchor Eliza Navarro joins us live from the Fresno County Courthouse with how that hearing unfolded. Eliza.
Dale, Vanessa, Marcus Faulk was sentenced to more than 20 years in prison and not allowed to take back his plea. The judge said that it was simply too late and there wasn't enough legal evidence to back it up. 16 years later, Marcus Faulk learned his fate in court on Wednesday morning for killing his cellmate Jason Cannon at Pleasant Valley State Prison. He accepted a plea deal for voluntary manslaughter, landing him a sentence of 22 years. Before hearing the judge's final say, Faulk made another attempt to further delay the decision.
And I'm just asking for a fair shot. I'm willing to take a plea, but not this plea.
Faulk was supposed to be sentenced last Wednesday, but requested a new attorney, which was granted. However, this morning, Faulk claimed that his brother had hired a different attorney who did not show up to court.
Who did your brother retain?
My brother said it just needs a couple days and he'll get him up there.
Mr. Faulk, you said your brother retained counsel.
Yes, Your Honor.
Who did your brother retain?
I don't know.
Faulk wanted to change his plea and asked for more time to speak with his brother. His appointed Fresno County defense attorney said there was no basis to support his request.
I reviewed the transcripts, the change of plea, the waiver of appellate rights. I did extensive research into whether or not Mr. Faulk even had the ability to withdraw a plea or go forward based on that waiver. It appears that there is no legal basis.
She also advised Faulk not to speak on his behalf. Regardless, Faulk shared a few words and interrupted the judge several times.
Sir, he kept saying the judge knows, the judge is going to railroad you, the judge won't talk to you, over and over and over and over.
All right, sir, I've heard enough. I've heard enough.
The judge stood firm on his sentence, a long time coming for Cannon's family. Charges weren't filed until 2019. Then it took 5 years to get to trial, which ended in a hung jury. Cannon's family did not attend court this morning, but did show up last week and had an opportunity to make their final statements, during which they shared the challenges of waiting over a decade for justice.
I'm glad for this to be over finally, so I can forget you and start remembering my uncle's beautiful smile and all of the silly, awesome memories that we have together.
Faulk is now headed back to prison where he was originally serving a 25-year sentence for an armed robbery in 2004. Live in downtown Fresno, Eliza Navarro, ABC 30 Action News.